I don't know how that goes. Like, I don't have time to put on edges for edges that won't ever be seen. But anyways, yeah, this side isn't done. But when I'm flipping it over, I'm going to do the other side. Style number 1 will be the half up, half down. So I'm just going to grab the hair.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to like intervene and say this is more of a, not a walkthrough, but it's more of a watch and you do. Okay. I'm not really explaining, I'm honestly just blabbing most of the time. Next, but yeah,
half up, half down, side swoop. Alright y'all, so for this next hairstyle, I'll be using like a headscarf, and then we're gonna be doing like, you know, a little pushback.
So you can do it like this, which is really cute. Like, yeah, this is
like, it's so girly, I don't know.
For the next one, we're gonna do the same, it's gonna be the same concept, but this time around, we're gonna take some of the hair and like put it like this. Tell me this is not cute. I know I keep saying it, but y'all, it's so cute. So for this hairstyle, we're gonna take the we're gonna take the scrunchie again. So for this look, we're gonna part our hair into 2. Y'all, this is so cute. This is so cute. Words can't like describe how I feel about this hairstyle. So shout out to the creator of this hairstyle because they snapped, like they really did. Alright guys, so I lied, this wasn't the final look. So now my lashes getting tilted because of this, and boom. I don't necessarily like this one as much, but it is still very cute. I feel like the right person can really rock this look. Please rate these. I really want to know your opinions. All right guys, so that is basically it. I feel like everybody should try this hairstyle at least once, or it needs to be just as popular as braids, and just as normalized. If you're on Twitter, y'all know why I said normalized, because you cannot be on Twitter and not read the word normal. Let's normalize. But y'all, this is something to normalize. Like, come on, y'all see it? Like, this is so flipping cute. Let me just redo my edges for the outro. Yeah. yeah, my edges is not serving right now. This is the finishing look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I didn't talk too much because I have a tendency of like talking a lot, so when it comes time to edit, I be editing like half the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribers, y'all, we are so close. We are literally so close. So please like, spread the word, let everybody know, y'all. For me, and if you haven't noticed, the ones who follow me, like, y'all, I got my braces off finally. I don't know if y'all noticed that, like, y'all, since I got my braces off, I'm so like smiley, and like my smile has opened up so much. But that's another talk for another time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.